Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the session today. We are on the Tuesday to the 25th. In this case, we're going to start our activities, okay?
No, los azules son los de inglés como los tuyos. Tuyos son amarillos, en cambio los míos son azules.
We are going to start with our unit number 6 related to Crime Watch. Here we have the objectives. We are going to talk about the past continuous, the past simple, using the connectors when and while. Also, we're going to have some vocabulary about the feelings and moods. And obviously, we are going to have some interaction and communication using some crime problem solvers, okay? So today we're going to start with this part of the reading. You know specifically that in the reading we are going to involve some parts of the grammar and some parts of the vocabulary. Here we have some information that I need that you read about this, okay? Nicole Soria, start reading, please. Nicole Soria, start reading.
Read the text, look at the picture, and answer the questions.
Please read the four questions.
How's the young woman? What's her job? Where is she? Do you think she knows the old woman?
Okay, Nicole, you have the four questions, right? I need that you look at the picture. I need that you look at this picture. Look at this picture. I need your prediction. I need that you predict the answers. What do you think? Okay, the young woman is, who is? What is the occupation, maybe? What is that? Is a doctor, a teacher? What do you think, Nicole? Nicole, okay.
Detective.
Detective. Okay, look at this case. In this case, what's her job? What is her job? If you say that it's a detective, what is her job? What is the job? Sorry?
She's a number detective.
Okay, maybe to investigate what is happening. Okay, right. That is exactly what you mean, right? Okay, and where are they? Where is she? Where is she? At home, in a school, in the street. What are they?
The home.
At home, maybe. Okay, and do you think those ladies know they are friends or no? Those ladies are friends? No, okay. That's good. Manuel Cardoso. Manuel Cardoso. Manuel Cardoso. Please read the answers, please, Manuel. Manuel Cardoso, read the answers.
The young woman is Monica.
Continue, number 2.
He is a number 1 detective.
Detective, okay, continue.
He is in her office.
Office, okay.
She doesn't
She doesn't know. She doesn't know.
She doesn't know
what?
The old woman.
Okay, please, everybody, complete information in your books. Complete information in your books. A ver si me prenden esas cámaras y no los saco de la sesión. Me prenden cámaras y se me ponen a trabajar. Caso contrario, retírese sin ningún problema. Así que vamos, por favor, y es para todos. ¿Todavía están dormidos? Okay, so complete information in your books. Complete information in your books, please, okay? Ready? Well, here we have the story about Monica and the House of Dogs. Monica and the House of Dogs. And obviously we are going to read this story. You are going to read and you are going to listen this story. Attention. After reading and after listening the story, you are going to complete exercise number 3 and number 4. After reading and listening, you are going to complete the exercise 3 and exercise number 4. Attention and follow the story. Attention and follow the story, okay?
Monica and the House of Dogs.
Monica Lee was feeling bored. She looked in her lunchbox. A ham sandwich, 2 sausages and an apple. Boring. She was thinking about her lunch when an old woman entered her office. She was wearing a wet raincoat and carrying a broken umbrella.
Are you that detective girl?
She asked.
Yes, I am. How can I help you? My name's Abigail Clark. I can't sleep, and I'm very upset. They're keeping dogs in the house next door, and they're very noisy. Help me, please.
Monica sighed. This was no job for a number 1 detective, but it was better than nothing.
Okay.
She said.
Where do you live, Abigail?
Monica grabbed her lunch, her mobile and her jacket, and left the office. An hour later, she was standing outside an ugly house on the edge of town. It was raining. It was getting dark. And she couldn't hear a thing. But then a big white shape jumped up at the window and barked.
That's weird.
Thought Monica.
That's Jake, my friend Lucy's dog. He went missing yesterday. What's he doing here?
She knocked at the door. There was no reply. She tried the handle, and the door opened. She felt nervous, but she decided to go in. The room was empty, except for a table with a pile of notes. Each one said,
Do you want your dog? Meet me at... And don't forget the money.
She rushed into the next room. Jake was wagging his tail happily. There were lots of other dogs in there too. She saw a big wardrobe in the corner. She looked inside it and found a suitcase full of money. This was serious. Monica was reaching for her mobile when she heard voices. She was frightened, so she climbed into the wardrobe and closed the door. Two men entered the room. All the dogs started barking.
These stupid dogs are always hungry,
said one man. Let them stay hungry, Sammy. Their owners can feed them when they pay us the money.
Why is that white dog staring at the wardrobe?
I don't know, Sammy. Look inside.
Okay, now we got the story. I need that you pay attention that here we said was feeling. Also, we are using was thinking. Also, we say that you are using where is fold, where you say that the word says no went into this. And obviously here we have some information that register the grammar between the past simple and the past continuous. That is the grammar that we are going to reference. But now we're going to work in the first part of the activity. Activity number 3. Activity number 3, okay? Please, Dina Rodriguez, start reading, please. Dina Rodriguez, start reading.
Read the study skill, then read the story and number the events to put them in the correct order.
Okay, what is to put an event in order? Read this part, please.
Read the story carefully and make sure you understand it. Then read the list and find the corresponding event in the story. Finally, number the event in the list and check in for mistake.
Finally, okay, and understand. So here we have the sentences. sorry, everybody. Here we have the sentences A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. We have the number one, a woman entered Monica's office. Here we have the number one. Sorry. What you are going to do. What you are going to do. You are going to read again. You are going to read again. And obviously you are going to put the events in order. What is the number 2, 3, 4, 5? Okay, according to the story. Attention, ladies, use the annotate bar. Wake up, ladies. Girls, ladies, you're going to use the annotate bar, and the boys use the chat. Boys use the chat. Quickly, please. 2 minutes for the activity. Boys use the chat. Number the events in order. Let's do it quickly. Okay. Eduardo Mujica started. Very good. Only one boy. Okay, Bianca started. Very good. Se recuerdan los estudiantes que la participación en clase es lo que los ayuda a registrar la asistencia. Si no trabaja, no le registro la asistencia. Y es para todos. Cámaras prendidas y trabajando. Más aún saben que si tienen la cámara apagada, ahí son más todavía los llamo. Okay, let's do it. Hurry up, boys. Let's do it. Put the events in order. Let's do it quickly. Hurry up. Okay, read information, and obviously you are going to complete information. Let's do it, please. Hurry up. Let's do it, please. I need the chat, please. Hurry up. Quickly, let's do it. ¿Qué pasa con esos varones? Vamos. Okay. Let's do it quickly. Okay. Hurry up. Okay, so here we have the events in order. And obviously now we are going to solve the situation here, okay? Now we are going to read exactly what is the correct order for this. Please, Justin Hama, start reading, please. Justin Hama, what is the number 2? Justin Hama. Justin Hama, 1. Justin Hama, 2. Justin Hama, 3. Okay, bye. See you later. Continue, please. Christina, read the events, please. Read the number 2.
Monica decided to help the woman.
Mm-hmm.
She saw a white shape in the window.
4.
She saw Jake waiting in his tire.
Okay, continue.
Monica found a note on the table.
Continue, number 6.
She discovered money inside a suitcase.
7.
She heard men enter the house.
And number 8.
She hid inside the wardrobe.
Okay, thank you, Christina. Those are the events, please. Those are the events, please. I need that you confirm the situation about that, okay? Let's do it quickly. 1, 2, 3, okay? Complete in your books. Quickly. Complete in your books. 1, 2, and 3, right? Well, so now in this case, we have these activities and we have the activity number 4. Activity number 4, Emily Mejia, start reading.
Write answers to question 1, 4. Then discuss questions 5, 7 in pairs. What do you think? Why did Monica accept the job? Why was Jake at the house? Why did the dogs start barking when the man entered the room? Why did the man decide to look inside the wardrobe? What happens next? What does Monica do now? Can she escape? How does the story end?
How does, okay, continue.
She can escape. I think the man captured her. I think she called the police on her mobile phone.
Okay, what is the conclusion? These questions must be answered. Those questions must be answered. Where you are going to do this? In the PowerPoint template online. Okay, you are going to answer these questions. You are going to answer these questions and complete all the information. ¿Dónde va a trabajar usted este bloque de preguntas? Donde va a responder las 7 preguntas. Las va a hacer en el PowerPoint template que nosotros trabajamos. Usted ya tiene el enlace. Al final vamos a revisar el PowerPoint y vamos a ver qué es lo que tienen ahí. Okay, that is the information that we're going to work in this. Okay, take the capture or maybe copy in your books, okay? That is the part that we're going to work in that. After that, in this case that we are going to work also, we continue with the next part about the vocabulary section that we have. In the first part of the vocabulary, we are going to read the verbs of perception. We are going to read the verbs of perception. When we talk about perception, please, when we talk about perception, we talk about the sensations, about your senses and the actions involved with this. For example, when we talk about your hands, when you touch, you feel. That is the action verb. When you say the ears, the sense of the ears, what is the verb? To hear. When you say about your eyes, you talk about the verb to see. When you talk about your nose, you smell. That is the action. When you are using the mouth and the tongue, in this case, and you eat food, you taste. Those are the verbs of perception that we are going to use in this part. Also, sometimes we are going to use can for the ability to do something and could or couldn't in the past. Something that we are going to use in this part of the activity. Attention, please. Fausto Torres, start reading. Fausto? Fausto. Wake up, Fausto.
Rat Watson, then write the missing verb in each sentence. Make sure it is in the correct tense.
Tense. Read word song. Continue.
Read word song. Verbs of perception. Feel, hear,
Feel,
hear,
hear,
hear, see, smell, taste.
taste.
We usually use can with these verbs. I can see a bus, not I see a bus.
Okay, so those are the verbs that we are going to use according to this, okay? Attention, boys, you are going to use the annotate bar. Boys, you are going to use the annotate bar, and the ladies use the chat. Ladies use the chat, ladies use the chat, and the boys use the annotate bar. Quickly, please, quickly, let's do it. 2 minutes to do the activities, hurry up. Quickly. Boys. Que solo 2 varones en el curso. Y el resto, dormido. Vamos. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Quickly. Vamos que los varones están trabajando con el annotate bar. Let's do it. Okay, let's do it, let's do it. Quickly, let's do it, let's do it. Hurry up, hurry up. Very good, okay? So here we have the information. Quickly, let's do it, girls. Girls, quickly, let's. Okay, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up. Okay, ladies, use the annotate bar. Ladies, use the annotate bar. Okay. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Okay. Let's do it. Quickly. Okay. So right now we are going to complete the information. We are going to read if the information is correct. Okay. Please continue. Heli Peña, read the answers, please. Heli Peña.
Me.
Okay. Read the answers. Number 1.
Can you smell
Yeah.
that skin? Sometimes burning.
Something's burning. Continue with the number 3.
Can you hear that ring now? Is it a baby?
Number 4.
I feel a hand on my shoulder and I turn round.
Continue.
I saw an accident on my way to school yesterday.
Continue. Number 6.
Did you put any salt in the soup? I can't taste any.
Any. Okay. Remember that those are verbs. Remember those are verbs. And the verbs can be used with can, could, or couldn't. Okay. Something that you have to consider that a smell could be in the infinitive or in the past, because those are verbs and you have to conjugate in this case. If the sentence is in past, the verb is going to be in past. If the sentence is in present continuous, you are going to use the present continuous for that. As follows, as well as in this case, right? Complete the information in your books, please. Complete the information in your books quickly. Complete the information in your books. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we go to the vocabulary, feelings and moods. Here we are talking about the feelings and emotions. When you have the moods, you talk about the emotions. Now in your cell phone, you frequently use the moods, those emoticons that you have to use. And here we are going to find some of them. Ronald Quinacela, start reading, please. Ronald Quinacela, start reading, please.
Write your answers to the question.
The questionnaire. Están que leen fatal. Ya los voy a mandar a repetir 50,000 veces la pronunciación de cada palabra. Write your answers to your questionnaire. Como que nunca han hablado inglés en su vida. Vamos. What
make you feel?
What makes you feel? Todos hablar como alumnos de liceo. What makes you feel? Continue. What is the second question?
What do you do when you are?
When you are. What is the question number 3?
When did you last feel? and we.
And why? Here we have the questions. Attention, everybody. Here we have some questions. Here we have the question number 1. We have the question number 2. And here we have the question number 3. 3 questions that you are going to answer. 3 questions that you are going to answer. To answer these questions, we are going to read the list of the moods, the list of the emotions that we have here. Okay? Mitsen, what is the first block, Mitsen? Read the number 1. Number 1.
Annoyed.
Annoyed. Continue number 2.
Annoyed. You upset.
Upset. Continue.
Happy.
Continue.
Calm.
Continue number 5.
Freaked.
Frightened. Frightened. Continue number 6.
Frightened. That.
7.
Hungry.
Okay.
Thirsty.
Thirsty.
Thirsty. Tired.
Okay.
Excited.
Excited.
Nervous. Embarrassed. Angry.
Angry. Those are the feelings or the emotions. Thank you, Mitsen. Here we have the feelings or emotions. Remember, what is the block number 1? What makes you feel? What is the block number 2? What do you do when you are? And block number 3, when did you last feel and why? 3 block of questions that you are going to answer, that you are going to make sentences. You are going to make sentences using the words in this, using the words in the emoticons that you have. Okay? What are those emoticons? Gary Mena, read the example. Gary Mena, read example number 1.
What makes you feel?
Okay. What makes you feel? And what is answer number 1? Example number 1?
Some make me feel the
frightened. Makes me feel frightened. Pay attention to this expression. Making me feel. Makes me feel. Continue when you have the question number 2. Gary, read the question number 2.
What do you do when you're...
Okay. What is the possibility?
When I sat and watch a funny program on TV.
Okay. Here we have the first one in this case. And also we have the question number 3. When did you last feel excited? In this case, for example, I felt excited the last weekend when we went to the beach, for example, okay? What is the conclusion of this? What is the conclusion of this? This activity, you are going to work in the PowerPoint template. This activity, you are going to work in the PowerPoint template online, and you are going to have a total of 14 sentences, okay, using the questions that you have. You are going to answer the question number 1, the question number 2, and the question number 3. And obviously, what you are going to do, you are going to use all these words that we have here, okay? You are going to use these words, and here you have examples to work on this. ¿Dónde va a realizar esta actividad? En el PowerPoint template. ¿Dónde va a realizar esta actividad? En el PowerPoint template que usted ya va a encontrar. Va a realizar las 14 oraciones contestando a las preguntas que indican las flechas, ¿ok? So, what we are going to do right now. ¿Qué vamos a hacer en este momento? Abra una pestaña de Google, rapidito. Abra una pestaña de Google y quiero que saque el Cambridge Dictionary Online. Vamos, rapidito. O cualquier diccionario inglés. Rapidito. Abra un tab en su computador. Ponga Cambridge Dictionaries Online y vamos a sacar los meanings en inglés. Okay? So, what you are going to do? You are going to use the chat. Attention. You are going to use the chat. All the students, ladies and girls. And you go and you are going to look annoyed, and you are going to have the meanings, and you are going to put into the picture dictionary, into the dictionary in this, and you are going to copy and paste the words. Va a copiar las palabras y las va a pegar en el chat con el meaning en inglés. Vamos, rapidito. ¿Cómo va a ser la distribución? Attention. The first block for the boys. The first block for the boys. The second block for the girls. And here, both, boys and girls. Okay, both. Okay, the first block, the boys. The second block, the girls. And the next one for both. Let's start, please, quickly. Let's do it quickly. Vamos, rapidito. Vamos, let's do it. Use, in this case, that you are going to use this one, okay? Let's do it. Hurry up. Let's do it. Cambridge Dictionary is online. Okay. Cambridge Dictionary is online. Let's do it quickly. And for example, you said excited. Excited. Okay, let's do it. Quickly. Let's do it. Okay. For example, the first word says, okay, attention. Very good, Bianca. Excellent. For example, excited. Okay, excited. And obviously you said in this case, feeling enthusiastic. Feeling very enthusiastic, okay? And obviously you are going to complete this information. Quickly, let's do it. Hurry up, 2 minutes for the activities. You have the block of the boys that you are going to work in this. Let's do it quickly. Del 1 al 5 los chicos, del 6 al 10 las chicas y del 11 al 14 ambos grupos. Vamos, let's do it quickly. Hurry up. Vamos rapidito, let's do it. Esos que están dormidos todavía. Hurry up. Let's do it quickly. Hurry up. Let's do it. Use this one, okay? Hurry up. Vamos, rapidito, vamos. Let's do it quickly. Let's do it. Quickly, let's do it. Hurry up. Vamos, chicos, vamos. Si se cae la sesión, nos volvemos a conectar. Si se cae la sesión, usted sabe que nos volvemos a conectar, ¿ok? De inmediato, si se cae la sesión, nos volvemos a conectar. Vamos, rapidito. Let's do it quickly. Hurry up. Let's do it. Quickly. Hurry up. Let's do it. Están trabajando en el chat. Vamos, rapidito, vamos. Let's do it. Están trabajando en el chat. Let's do it, please. Let's do it. Quickly. Quickly, let's do it. Quickly, let's do it. Use the chat. Boys and girls are working on that. Let's do it. Vamos, que es de actividades para todos. Vamos. Let's do it. Vamos, rapidito, vamos. Vamos, rápido, vamos, vamos, chicos, vamos. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it quickly. Ok. La sesión se cierra en breve. Nos conectamos de inmediato. La sesión se cierra en breve. Nos conectamos de inmediato. Necesito que tenga abierto su PowerPoint template. Necesito que tenga abierto su PowerPoint template. Y nos conectamos de inmediato. ¿Ok? Nos conectamos de inmediato con la segunda parte de la sesión.